Has anyone ever come across this buildup before in a toilet tank? That stuff right down there. It's like a cream colored buildup, and I've got it in all three of my toilets in the tank. And it'll break loose with a toothbrush. And it breaks loose. But I just don't, I've never seen that in a toilet before. And I don't know if that's coming from the city water, coming from the water softener. I'm not sure. Let me know if anyone's ever had a buildup like that in their toilet tank. And in all toilets, it's the same. It's only in the right side because I guess it doesn't get a lot of, swirl action right there. Anyways, let me know.